Netflix hit $1,500 by the end of the year. Here's my thoughts. Netflix subscription price increases in the UK for new and existing users.
Damn!
The premium plan costs €18.99, up by €1. The ad support tier increased from €4.99 to €5.99. Netflix has quickly increased subscription prices in the UK. The standard plan now raised from €10.99 to €12.99. Extra account fees have also risen, with the outside account now costing €5.99. An additional ad plan member pays €4.99.
Oh, God, please, no! No!
Price changes will affect both new and existing users. Email notifications will detail changes based on billing cycles. A Netflix representative explains that the increased fees will be reinvested into better programming and further improvement into the service. Netflix has seen its subscriber number grow nearly 27% to over 300 million since the password crackdown. Now let's get to the charts so that you can see my price prediction for Netflix for 2025.
So Netflix has key levels, a support and a resistance, but they also have some price targets. There were some price targets given out stating that Netflix will always have some take profit sitting at about $960. So this yellow line here is the $960 where first investors will start to take profit most of the time, every time it hits there. But let's talk that our supports. Our support level, our lowest support level is going to be $211.73. But then we have better supports, which would be a zone of $604.11. Our next one is going to be $692.30. Our next one after that will be $836.08. We have our traders profit target. So that's where they're saying that traders will always take profit. So what we're looking for here is traders to stop taking profit and it to go higher. Once it goes higher and it hits $1,065.13, we could expect a break to about 1,100 before we see a pullback. And then after we see that pullback, price target should be $1,500 by the end of the year. So what I mean by that is this is what we should see. It come into this zone, it break that 960, breaks through the $1,000 and breaks up to the 1,500. So my price target for the end of the year for Netflix will be $1,500.